Hello my YouTube family, you're here with Skipper Drones, and today I will be bringing you a review on the Hobbymate Asteroid. I want to give a shout out to Ellen from Hobbymate. Thanks for sending me this frame for review. This is a 3-inch frame, and this is going to be a very exciting build here. We have the standoffs and the screws, all the arms, plates. We have the camera mounts. Like I say, this is going to be a very exciting build here because this 3S is going to be running off 6S. Let's see what we got here. Seems like it's going to be a very easy frame to put together. Alright, the legs are 4 millimeters. We have 4 millimeter legs. That's nice. We have the bottom plate here. It's 2 millimeters. Like a sandwich plate, 2 millimeters. Top plate, 2 millimeters, and the camera mount is 2 millimeters. All right, so we got I got the iFlight Success 20 stack. This also takes a 20 stack. I got the iFlight Success 20 stack here. And like I said, it's going to be pushing 6S. I also had a Cadix Turbo 2. That's the camera. And I have found a battery that's going to go with this. And the battery is nice. It's a 6S. And the good part about this is it's a 550 80C 100C discharge. 550 milliamp 6S with the XT30 connector on it. So that's going to be nice, you guys. We will put this together and I will be right back. Alright you guys, we're back. This is the Hobbymate Asteroid. It's going to be a very exciting build, you guys. The carbon fiber seems pretty sturdy. Nice. It's not rough around the edges. This is going to be an awesome build. And I also have the motors for this. It's the Hobbymate 1505 2900 kV. So that will be capable of pushing 6S. So this is going to be a very nice build here, and it's going to be powerful. I can't wait, you guys. So that will be it on this video. In the next video, we'll be starting the build. I got everything in for it, so you guys be looking forward for the next video coming up real soon. The Hobbymate Asteroid 3-inch frame. Very nice, very nice. I can't wait. This is going to be a beast. So you guys, I will catch you on the next video. If you like this video, please leave me a comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I am Skipper Drones, and I will catch you on the next video. See you later.